Take A4 size sheet. Fold like this. Fold lower to upper. Fold right to left. Fold from bottom to the middle. Fold from upper to the middle. Fold from right to the middle. Fold from left to the middle. Fold corners like this. Fold like this. Cut the white paper 10 cm asterisk 5 cm. Put in it. Make 6 boxes like this. Paste all together with glue. Take white sheet to make the bottom part, like this. Cut the extra part. Put the pen, colors, etc. Pen, pencil holder is ready.